Most creators are running 5 different AI tools at the same time just to produce one single video. One platform for images, another for video, another for audio, another for storyboarding, and yet another for editing and timeline assembly. You are paying for all of them separately every single month, switching between all of them constantly throughout your workflow and losing hours every single week just to the setup and coordination alone. And even after all of that, after all the time, all the money, all the back and forth between platforms, the output still does not always come together the way you imagined it in your head. And the worst part? Every single new project means starting from scratch. You are typing the same prompts again, choosing the same models again, rebuilding the same setup again just to get back to the point where you can actually start creating. It is exhausting. It is inefficient. And honestly, for a lot of creators, it is the reason they slow down or stop producing altogether. I have been there myself. I know exactly how draining it is to manage a fragmented creative workflow when all you actually want to do is make great content. And that frustration is exactly what led me to the platform I am about to show you today. This platform replaces your entire fragmented AI stack with one single conversational workflow. One platform that handles your images, your video generation, your audio, your storyboarding, your timeline assembly, and your editing, all coordinated automatically by an AI agent that thinks through your creative direction and chooses the best tools for every single step of the process. You go from idea to finished cinematic production without ever leaving one place, and the output quality is going to genuinely shock you. Today, I am breaking down exactly how this platform works, showing you the whole generation process from start to finish, and giving you an honest assessment of whether it is actually worth your time. So make sure you stay till the end because this one is genuinely different from anything I have covered before. Like and subscribe and join the Discord. Link is in the bio, free PDF is waiting for you in there. Now let's get into it. So basically this platform I'm about to show you right now is actually the best platform you can use for video generation. This tool packs a lot of models and features inside it, and you're about to see why it's actually very good. Most creators are juggling 5 different tools right now. But what you're about to see changes that completely. If you head over to this platform right here and click the link in the description, you can actually see the interface. And the interface is really clean. The people who built this actually understand what creators need. Look at this. The design itself tells you something. You can see it has an agentic chat right here. This is the main thing. This is where you're going to spend your time. And that's intentional because everything happens through conversation, not through clicking menus. You can see it has space for films, short dramas, motion comics. You can actually create full productions using this. That's not an exaggeration. And the reason it works is because everything is built for one workflow instead of jumping between platforms. One selling point I really like about this platform is that you don't need to be an expert. Creating studio-level content is normally hard because you have to deal with multiple tools, different accounts, spending hours switching between them. But this platform gives you everything in one place. So if you head over to the chat and just give it a prompt, watch what actually happens. I'm asking it to create an original fantasy world for a short cinematic anime film. Just 5 seconds. One good thing is it has a lot of models available. It doesn't make you guess which model is best. It actually analyzes what you're asking for and chooses the best model that will work. So I'm hitting generate right now. See, Flova starts thinking right away. Your generation has started at this point. This is where the AI agent works. It's not just a generator. It analyzes the workflow you want, and it chooses a skill. A skill is basically a comprehensive template system. It's like the platform already knows the best way to approach your project before it even starts. It's telling me now it's going to ask me just a few key questions. It asks how many warrior characters should be included. 2 warriors. That's the right choice. I click next. And here's the thing that matters about this platform. It doesn't just let the AI make all the decisions automatically. You have control. You're choosing what you want to use. You're not locked into the AI's choice. So it asks, what world settings feel right for your story? I'm selecting a fantasy world setting. I'm choosing the style I want. After I choose all this, it starts working. And this is where you see what agentic means. It goes into full story mode generation. It's creating the storyboard. It's breaking down the shots. It's dividing everything into different parts with specific purposes, and it's already generating the characters and scenes. You can see all the images are being generated. The model is working through the framework. Look at what's happening. It's done generating the avatars and characters. You can see the image generation gives you different lighting variations. Dark versions, light versions. This keeps consistency across everything. And here's what's actually crazy. It's generating all of this without you having to open 5 different platforms. Image generation, video, audio, timeline assembly, everything is happening in one place seamlessly. That's not just convenient, that's fundamentally different from how creators work now. One thing you can notice is it's actually generating the voice. It's selecting the right voice model automatically based on what makes sense for your content. You can see the video being generated with the voiceover synced already, the audio is being generated, and now it's generating the video part. It's done generating the video and it's syncing it with the audio, and it automatically knows how to match them together. It's actually very good at that. At this point, you can see all the videos being generated and you can see the quality. Very, very nice. It's generating the full short video. Most of them are already generated right here. This is actually sick because it's one of the best generators for this kind of work. You can actually create a full series animation with just this platform. That's how capable it is. It's so good. It's clean. You don't get that bad level of animation you see from most places done by average editors. With this, the quality is consistent. The timeline is updating now. It's creating the timeline that combines everything it generated into one cohesive piece. And now it's assembling everything in the timeline so it's easy for you to use. Everything is on point and ready. This is what's so great. You get mad level precision in every generation.
I stood at the temple's gate, and I let the darkness
You
in.
weren't there.
Everything
You
I
didn't
swore to
see
protect
what I
gone,
let happen.
because I was afraid.
10 years, Kale. This still stands. The people survived. Stop running from a war that's already over.
You weren't there. You didn't see what I let happen.
Not this time! Redemption isn't erasing the past. It's choosing here, now, to become what you failed to be.
The character movement looks right. The motion is smooth. The expressions on the face are there. This is what you actually get from the models on this platform. Look at the quality here. The character movement, the motion, the expressions. All nice. This is what you get. You can see the weight and shadow. You can actually use this to create cinematic trailers that are actually good. These are what you can use. Clean, smooth. The animations are sleek. If you used an anime studio to create this yourself, it would take weeks or months. Here, you're getting it in minutes. You can see the animation quality, the way it moves, the cinematic feel. It's clean and smooth. The character expressions are there. The world feels real, and the pacing is intentional. But here's what matters. If you want to change anything after generation, you can regenerate just that one shot. You don't have to rebuild the whole thing. You have complete control over the output. The platform lets you edit storyboard text directly, drag and drop assets, and refine everything the way you want it. That's the control that separates this from just random generation. You're not stuck with what it gives you, you can shape it. And here's the habituation part that actually matters. Every creator finds what works. A specific model pairing, a visual style, a character system that hits right. Normally, every new project means starting from zero. You're typing the same prompts, choosing the same models, rebuilding the same setup every single time. That's wasted time. But here's the solution. I'm saving this entire workflow right now as a custom skill. Let me name it. I'm calling it Epic Fantasy Workflow. In the process planning, I'm putting the narrative framework. In asset analysis, I'm putting the visual guidelines. In storyboard design, I'm putting the structure. In prompt writing, I'm putting the instruction set. After putting all these elements together, you can customize it and then save it as a skill. So basically, my skill is saved now. You have a name for it. So right now, you can see I have my own skill saved, and if I want to use it again, I just call it by the name. Next time I have a fantasy idea, I just say, use my Epic Fantasy Workflow, and it answers you. It loads everything instantly. That's basically how it works. You just call the skill and everything comes back. It's a great concept. It all depends on what you're creating and what you need. It's all based on your ideas. One thing I love about this is the animations are actually great. The process is smooth. The agentic chat understands what you want. You can ask it how many credits it will take to create something, and it tells you. You can actually plan your budget. You can know what you want to do, what you need, and whether you have enough credits. And that brings me to the important question. This is actually better than paying for separate subscriptions because for $19 you get everything. Elite models, the agent, storyboarding, audio generation, editing, timeline assembly, and the skills system, all in one. Before this kind of platform came out, creators like us had to buy one platform for images, another for video, another for audio. Now one platform handles it all, so it's actually easier for you. And you notice I did all this without leaving the platform. I didn't have to go somewhere else for images or video or anything. Everything was seamless in this platform. That's actually great. So basically, you can see how good this is. It's very good, and I really appreciate how well it works. So here's my actual honest assessment. The strongest part of this platform is the agent. Not just the model quality, not just the interface, but the conversational reasoning layer that coordinates everything. Being able to go from concept to finished production through a natural conversation genuinely changes how the creative process feels. It's faster, less draining, and significantly more efficient than managing multiple tools at once. The model selection was accurate without me needing to intervene. The image quality was consistently strong. The motion quality held up well across all the shots, and the overall pipeline felt meaningfully better than running the same project across separate platforms. If you want to get started, the link is in my description. When you sign up through that link, you get 200 credits immediately, and every single week you log back in, you get another 200 credits on top of that. That's the ongoing sign-up bonus running right now through my link. Drop a comment below saying fantasy, and I will send you the complete prompt stack I used to build everything you saw in this video today. If this helped you understand what an AI agent can actually do in a real creative workflow, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one.